Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So first of all, I want to thank you all for supporting me. It means a lot to me. So in this video we are going to create a text animation with background color change, and you can see here the final product in which a list of items are displaying, which are developer, designer, coder and everyone, and it is animating with background color change. So let's get started and know how we can code this. So first of all, we will create our HTML file. Now let's write our title. Now we will add our style.css file. Now we will create a div with container class, and inside our container we will have another div with the dropping text class, and we inside our dropping text class we will have four another divs which will be containing our words like code developers, designers, coder and everyone, which will be animating. So let's create it. Now we will start our styling. First of all, we will write our CSS for our body tag. Now let's write CSS for our dropping text div. Now we will write our CSS for div inside our dropping text. Now we will write our CSS to animate our words at different intervals, so by using our nth child CSS. Now let's set our keyframes for roll and roll 2. Now let's set our keyframe for our background change animation. Let's get name from our CSS. Let's copy it and let's change. I have not added roll 2 animation to my fourth div, so I have added it. Now let's write our keyframes for our background change animation. So let's check how it is looking right now. So our background shadow is not looking good. Let's remove our shadow. Now let's check how it is looking. So now it is looking really good, and this is our final product.
Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video.
Remember me in your
First of all,
favorites.
thank you for
Keep
supporting me.
me. Allah
And in this video, we are going to create a text animation with